I have been both a participant and a tutor in the Ireland writing retreats. My first experience was a virtual one during COVID, and I was so pleasantly surprised to discover that we were able to develop a real sense of community, even though we were only little squares talking to one another. Those retreats, two of them, were exceptionally helpful to me as I moved from academic writing to more creative writing. I then took part as a participant in the summer writing retreat in June of 2022, and again found the experience incredibly helpful to my writing, but more importantly, the sense of a writing community was really profound. Then I had the absolutely incredible experience of being a tutor in the fall writing retreat, and was able to give back some by sharing some of my own expertise, but also again felt that incredible sense of community that Sean and Columbia are able to engender in the group. Not only to be able to share one another's writing, but to take advantage of a tremendously beautiful part of Ireland, to make use of experiences both natural and historical, and quite frankly also to develop friendships and to simply have a lot of fun.